How to make the cheesy tomato baked rice. Hello everyone, welcome to our culinary channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a delicious dish that features a super cheesy tomato baked rice. This recipe is simple and can be made using just a frying pan. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the ingredients we need for this dish. Onion, a small amount. Luncheon meat, a small amount. Mozzarella cheese, a small amount. Cooked rice, 1 bowl. Corn kernels, a small amount. Cherry tomatoes, a small amount. Minced garlic, a little bit. Tip: if you like other vegetables, feel free to add ingredients like bell peppers or mushrooms to make the dish more flavorful. Step 1. First, add a small amount of oil to the frying pan and heat it up. Then, add the minced garlic and onions. Saute until fragrant. Tip: use medium-low heat when sauteing the garlic and onions to prevent the garlic from burning and becoming bitter. Step 2. Next, add the luncheon meat and cherry tomatoes. And continue to saute until the tomatoes release their juices. Tip: softening the tomatoes and letting them release their juices will make the dish juicier and more flavorful. Step 3. Then, add the corn kernels and stir-fry until everything is evenly mixed. Tip: you can use canned corn kernels for convenience. Just make sure to drain them well before adding to the pan. Step 4. Now, add the cooked rice and continue to stir-fry until the rice is well coated with the juices. Tip: it's best to use leftover rice from the previous day as it's less sticky and will fry better. Step 5. Next, add 1 tablespoon of Korean chili paste, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, a pinch of black pepper, and salt. Stir until everything is evenly combined. Tip: adjust the seasoning to your taste. If you prefer a spicier dish, you can add more Korean chili paste. Step 6. Use a spatula to press the rice down firmly and sprinkle the mozzarella cheese in the center. Tip: before adding the cheese, make a small well in the rice to help the cheese melt and create a better cheesy pull effect. Step 7. Drizzle a little water around the edges of the rice. Cover the pan with a lid and let it simmer on low heat for a while. Tip: this step allows the cheese to melt thoroughly and the rice to become more tender. Step 8. Finally, sprinkle some chopped parsley on top and serve. Tip: chopped parsley not only adds a nice aroma, but also makes the dish look more appetizing. And there you have it, our cheesy tomato baked rice. Look at that cheesy pull, isn't it just mouth-watering? If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye!